Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Art Reloaded. So today we are going to make this amazing mobile teaching aid or prop you can say. I used this to teach my preschool children and they totally loved it. They were very attentive throughout the session. I taught the concept of bugs and insects to them and it was very fun and very attractive to them. So the materials that we need to make this are sketch pens, crayons, markers, pencil, eraser, ice cream sticks, scale, ruler, cutter, etc. So I've taken an A4 size paper and I've drawn a basic border to it. You can make it with a pencil first, no problem. I've directly drawn with a marker. You can try and make it with a pencil first. I've started making the garden scenery. I've taken a very basic garden scenery because the bugs and insects mostly are found in the gardens, and I've taken a very basic scenery so as to make it look very attractive and colorful as well. So I've made flowers, I've made grasses, so when it comes to online classes and online teaching sessions, the prop needs to be quite small so as to fit in the screen. And again, the props need to be very attractive yet attention seeking so that the children can sit near the screen for at least the time the concept has been completed. So this kind of teaching aids are very helpful because they find a surprise element in this concepts as to what will come next, what will be the next insect, or what will be the next bug that teacher is going to show us. So I've made grasses, I've made flowers, and I've made some basic fences. Now I'm going to make clouds. I've kept the garden sketch very simple and not very hard to make. So here I'm making the outline first. You can start coloring first, no problem. Also, when you are making a teaching aid or a prop for a preschooler, you have to make sure that the prop or the teaching aid has to be very attractive, very colorful so as to gain attention of children for the concept so that they can be attentive throughout the concept as they have a very less attention span. So our outline is almost ready here. I have used a DVD marker or a thinner nib sketch pen or a marker you can say to make the outline of flowers. I have not used the thick permanent marker that you saw earlier. At some places I have used sketch pens, at some places I have used crayons to color. That was the reason I made the outline first and later on I started coloring, because sometimes it is really very difficult to use the markers on oil pastels or wax crayons. Hence I started making the outline first and then I did the coloring part. Meanwhile, the ones who are new to my channel, kindly do subscribe and press the bell icons for regular updates and notifications about my new videos. So here I'm making this pencil marking so as to cut the paper to the pencil marking. You have to cut from one border to another border. Do not cut the page into two halves. This border I have made to cut this insects, which I have made them into stick puppets. This is how you have to insert the stick puppets into the prop, and you can move the insects as and how you want them to move. So here I have made 4 teaching props or 4 teaching insects, that is spider, butterfly, honeybee and caterpillar. You can make as many as you want and teach as many as you want. Also, if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe and share it with others. And thank you so much for watching this video.